for appointment of head constable, general duty.
जी
General duty है.
नहीं कांस्टेबल डिफरेंट भी है
Constable pursuant to the advertisement bar recruitment proceedings subject matter of repetition till the next date of hearing. List this case in week commencing 23rd of February
Lordship,
और पहले
23rd of February.
कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
Lordships, the entire selection, the appointment order, it not be affected, Lordships, only in respect of the petitioners, Lordship. Because if it is
I have
affected,
said that no appointment order be issued by from today.
Lordships, because one thing, in page number 207, when this was written, then after it has been said कि उक्त सभी प्रकरणों में सीसीटीवी फुटेज एवं रिक्रूटमेंट स्लिप में प्रविष्टियां के आधार पर वास्तविक आंकड़ों के अनुरूप परिणामों पर परिवर्तन किया जाकर अंतिम परिणाम बनाया जाना उचित प्रतीत होता है। श्री सो एंड सो सदस्य कमेटी टीम अभ्यर्थी पीईटी में प्राप्त प्रतिदिन के नतीजों की जांच लगातार की जा रही है। उनके द्वारा प्रस्तुत रिपोर्ट में शारीरिक दक्षता की सीसीटीवी फुटेज से दर्ज किए गए परिणाम भिन्नता पाए जाने पर पृथक से प्रतिवेदन प्रेषित किया जाएगा। दैट मींस लॉर्डशिप, व्हेन दिस वाज पॉइंटेड आउट दैट आफ्टर देयर से some procurement has been done. It is not that, Lordship, that nothing has been done. After when this defects came,
I'm not state the selection proceeding. I am only state no fresh appointment order be issued.
Lordship,
You may complete it.
Yes,
If you succeed, you may publish that.
in respect of the petitioners only for 8 posts. Otherwise, the entire this process will be.
There are so many petitions have been filed.
There are.
You are aware. This is the one of the discrepancies shown.
Lordship.
There are other discrepancies also.
Lordship.
How the applications are filed, you have accepted. The one person has filed an application in different districts. Their names are in different waiting list and the select list.
Lordship.
So these are the that can to be considered.
Lordship.
It will come within.
Lordship.
You may carry on the, but you do not issue the appointment orders.
Lordship.
Yes.
grateful DPO
Item number 25, Srimati Suzuki, Shri Avinash Singh, Sri.
Lordship, this matter is with respect to recruitment for the post of training